Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a blurred effect on intro using CapCut. So here I want to add a blur effect to to the beginning of my videos, and here's how you're going to do that. First, you can go to effects and video effects and just go tap the opening and closing. So under this category, there are lots of blurred effects that you can add into your videos. For example, let's try this super large spot blur like that, or maybe the blurred love. This one's right here. But this is a pro effect, so you cannot freely use it if you are only on the CapCut free versions. So let's try the free one. Let's try this diamond zoom or oblique blur. You can see it will be applied to my clip. You can click on a check icon and in here adjust the length and also adjust the effect on how you like. For example, I'm going to increase the blur into 70 and rotate into around 30 like this. Click on the check icon and this is the blurry effect on my intro or beginning of my videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.